Okay, here's the layout for the island. The countertop here is 87 inches and it is 70 inches from front to back. A 12-inch overhang on the back of the island. Cooktop cabinet. Your wine fridge. Tray divider. There's a rollout behind here. Spice pull out. 3-drawer stack on the left. Back of the island. This is just a applied panel. We could change this to a single door to better match that, but that's a pretty big wide door. Another applied panel, and then this is the side of the double ovens. On computer. Double oven side, adjustable shelves inside. So this spice pull out right here looks like this. It pulls out like a drawer. 12 inches, 7.5, 7.5. So the drawer faces here. When you pull it open, this side is exposed on the left side. And this goes to the right of the cooktop. This top drawer right here is cut short. So that drawer is pretty shallow, about 2 inches tall, because we need to have room for that cooktop to come down. That's the top of the drawer, so the cooktop will come into there. But this top drawer is a little bit short. And here's the drawer front. So the inside of this drawer here, right there, that's the top of the bottom of the drawer. So from that point to the top of the drawer box is 10 5/8. And the middle drawer, we have 9 11/16. That's how deep those drawers are. That is the layout. So if we're looking at the face, yeah, we've got cabinet width, that wall is 84 inches. So from the far left of the cabinet to the right is 84 inches. Then you're going to have 1.5 inch counter overhang left and right. And cabinet depth from the back of the island to the front is about 57, plus 12 inches of overhang on the back and 1.5 inch overhang on the front. So let me know what you think of this and if we need to make any adjustments. And the decorative toe kick is included, but it's not shown. Just somewhat of a limitation with the CAD program to draw that up. All right, thank you.